Good morning, sir. I am S. Ashok Kumar Reddy from CSC branch. Today, my topic is string concatenation. Outline of my topic is Introduction to string concatenation, syntax of string concatenation, working of string concatenation, examples of string concatenation, program for string concatenation. Introduction to string concatenation. strcat parenthesis is a function used in programming languages like C and C++. It is used to concatenate two strings together. The function takes two arguments, the destination string and the source string. Syntax of strcat parenthesis. The syntax for strcat parenthesis is str in parenthesis destination comma source. The destination string is the string that will be appended with the source string. The source string is the string that will be appended to the destination string. Working of string concatenation. strcat parenthesis finds the null character at the end of the destination string. It then copies each character of the source string into the destination string, overwriting the null character. The function continues until it reaches the null character at the end of the source string. Modifying the destination string. Stringcat modifies the destination string in place. This means that the destination string is modified directly without creating a new string. The modified destination string will contain both the original content and the appended content. Null termination. Stringcat ensures that the resulting concatenated string is null terminated. A null string is a character with the ASCII value of 0 in parentheses and single quotes /0 is represented. It is used to mark the end of a string in C and C++. Precautions with string concatenation. strcat parenthesis assumes that the destination string has enough memory to accommodate the appended source string. If the destination string is not large enough, it can lead to buffer overflow, causing unexpected behavior of program crashes. It is important to allocate enough memory for the destination string before using string concatenation. Return value of string concatenation. strcat parenthesis does not return any value. It directly modifies the destination string. It is essentially to ensure that the destination string has enough memory to accommodate the appended source string. Example: usage of string concatenation. Example: character destination in braces 20 equal to double quotes hello semicolon. Character source braces 10 equal to double quotes world a semicolon. strcat now combined the both the examples destination comma source semicolon. Alternative to string cat. In C++, the concatenated of strings can be done using the plus operator or the appended function of the string class. These alternatives provide a more convenient and safer way of concatenated strings. However, strcat is still widely used in C programming. Program 1. Hashtag include less than stdio.h greater than standard input and output header file. Hashtag include less than string.h greater than used to handle the string functions. Int main parenthesis open braces character string 1 braces 50 value is mentioned equal to in double quotes hello semicolon character string 2 braces equal to world. Now string cat is used in parenthesis string 1 comma string 2 semicolon printf double quotes concatenated string percentages is format specifier of string slash m comma string 1 return 0. In string 1 the hello and world both are combined and stored in string 1. We use the string cat function to join both the examples hello and world. The output of the program is concatenated string hello comma world. Another program 2 hashtag include less than stdio.h greater than hashtag include less than string.h greater than int main parenthesis character string 1 value is 100 in braces string 2 100 semicolon printf enter first string use getS function string 1 semicolon printf enter second string in double quotes string 2 string cat string 1 comma string 2 if both entered value first entered value is stored in string 1 and another entered value is stored in string 2. Now printf concatenated string percentage is format specifier of string. Both the strings are concatenated and stored in string 1 return 0 semicolon close output enter first string we entered the value we entered the Microsoft entered second string is Office both concatenated to give Microsoft Office. The output of the program is concatenated string is Microsoft Office. Conclusion strcat is a function used for concatenating two strings together in C and C++. It modifies the destination string directly and ensures null termination. Care should be taken to allocate enough memory for the destination string to avoid buffer overflows.